Hello students, it is your economics class. It is your second book, Indian Economic Development. In first chapter, you will study Indian economy on the eve of independence. In this chapter, you will focus on the following points. The first point is overall features of Indian economy on the eve of independence. And second, state of agriculture sector. Third, industrial sector. Fourth, foreign trade and demographic profile and occupational structure. Finally, infrastructure. Now students, overall features of Indian economy on the eve of independence. Prior to British rule, it means before to British rule, Indian economy was a vibrant and prosperous economy. It means Indian economy was very rich and it has a marvelous history. On the agricultural front, it was the self-contained rural economy where cultivators themselves were the owner of the land. Industrial sector was famous throughout the world for its handicraft product. Our export enjoyed global reputation. The skill and the cotton textile were famous for their quality, and the precious stones were famous for the excellent craftsmanship. It means Indian economy was prosperous economy British before the British rule, but due to the exploitation by the Britishers, Indian economy became worse. In these points, in these lines, we will study how Britishers declined the Indian economy. But the advent of the British rule marked the beginning of systematic exploitation of Indian economy. The agriculture sector was occupied. The agriculture sector was explored, we can say exploited as a source of revenue. The industrial sector was destroyed by the exploiting the domestic market for the British product. Export of raw material was encouraged to promote supplies to the British industry. Import of British increases. Import of British goods in India increases, and India became the exporter of the raw material. In these lines, it is said that the Britishers exploited the Indian economy, and India became the exporter of the raw material and importer of the finished goods, which was not good for our economy. And features of the Indian economy I will tell you in my next video. Thank you.